Hello, this is Jacob Alley, a member of the Peer Career Team here in the Career Services Office at Shawnee. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the two different ways that you can conduct a job search in Handshake. First, I would like to show you a tip that is going to be helpful later in the video. In order to message other students on Handshake who are not from Shawnee, you have to make sure that your privacy is set to Community. So we're going to click on the profile icon up in the right, click on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down here in the middle and make sure that privacy is set to Community. Now we can begin with the job searches. The first way to conduct a job search on Handshake is to click on the Jobs tab. So once you've clicked on the Jobs tab, you can choose from full-time jobs, internships, part-time jobs, and on-campus positions. You can also refine your search by location, and you can select more than one location and the distance that you're willing to work from that location. Also, you can enter job titles, employers, or keywords into the box on the left to refine your search. So for example, let's say I want a full-time job in Columbus, Ohio, and the maximum distance I'm willing to work is 40 miles. And let's say I'm looking for a teacher position. So, we have on the left here 13 jobs found that meet the parameters that I selected. So, once I've created my job search, I can save it and receive alerts about the job search. If I click over here on the left, Save Your Search, you can save as many job searches as you would like. To revise or delete any of your job searches, we're going to click over here on the profile icon, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Notification Preferences. Here on the left it says Job Alert, so that's the job search I just created. So if I click on it, it's going to take me right back to where I just was. Let's go back. Okay, so to edit it, I'm going to click here. I can change the name. So let's say I want to call it Teacher Jobs in Columbus. And right now it has me being notified via email in the Handshake app and on my phone. So let's say I want just notified by email and I want to receive those daily. So if I save it, I'm going to get email updates about these jobs once they're updated each day. Alright, so another way that you can do a job search in Handshake is through the Employers tab. So you can follow different companies to receive alerts about job postings or to find out when they'll be attending a career event here at Shawnee State. As you can see, I'm following Republic Services, Bank of America, and PepsiCo. So I'm going to receive updates about different job postings they have and when they're going to be here at Shawnee. So let's say we want to search for a company. Let's search Kimberly Clark. Okay, so we'll click on that. So after you click on the company name, you can read their reviews, you can see their contact information, their job postings, and you can find other students using Handshake who have worked or interned there. As you can see up here, we have reviews, so what they liked, what they wished was different, and advice. And then we have interviews, so this will tell you about the interview process, some of the questions that they asked in the interview. Right here we have the job postings, so if I want to click on one of these, I can apply right here in Handshake. Let's give it a second to load. And it has the application deadline, the salary, the description of the job, and different qualifications that are needed. So let's go back here. Back to where I was. Give it just a second to load here. Okay, and then also here on the right we have their contact information. So it has their website, their phone number, and email that you can contact. And then it has the links to their Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter pages. Here in the middle we have a little bit of a description about the company. We have some images and videos. And then here is a question and answer, so different questions that other users have asked and people have answered. And then down here at the bottom, this is where what I talked about in the beginning of the video is going to come into play. So if I want to message a student who's worked here, I'm going to need to make sure that my privacy is set on community. So let's say I want to message Katie here. I'm going to click message, and let's say that I want interview advice. I click interview advice. And it's going to give me a template of what I can say. And then you can fill in the blanks, however you would like to do it. Or you can just type your own message, backspace all that. And then hopefully they'll get back to you and have lots of helpful information to share. Okay, so this concludes our video on the different ways that you can conduct a job search on Handshake. We hope that you found it helpful. If you have any other further questions, you can visit us in our office. We're located in Massey Hall, room 124, or you can email us at careers@shawnee.edu or peercareer@shawnee.edu. And you can also give us a call at 740-351-3027. Have a great day and go Bears!